Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is another trending cryptocurrency, and that trending cryptocurrency is called PNetwork. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on post notifications, because we only talk about the trending cryptocurrencies. We give price predictions, etc, etc. Now, for those who may not know about PNetwork's cryptocurrency, I'll now have Ryan give you a brief definition of what the PNetwork cryptocurrency is. Now, without any further ado, Ryan, take over.
Penta PNT is a cryptocurrency token and operates on the Ethereum platform. Penta has a current supply of 50 billion with 21,014,319,520.941 in circulation. The Penta price page is part of Crypto.com price index that features price history, price ticker, market cap, and live charts for the top cryptocurrencies.
Great. So now that you had a brief definition of the PNetwork's cryptocurrency, I will now have him read out to you the PNT price live data for the past 24 hours, so you know exactly, and it is steadily growing. Even as I'm making this video, PNT is steadily growing. It's growing. So I'll have him read that out to you now.
The live PNetwork price today is $2.93 with a 24-hour trading volume of $248,700,771. PNetwork is up 70.62% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 474 with a live market cap of $83,790,450. It has a circulating supply of 28,622,997 PNT coins and a maximum supply of 87,984,177 PNT coins. If you would like to know where to buy PNetwork, the top exchanges for trading in PNetwork are currently Binance, BioNE, HitBTC, Gate.io, and XT. PNetwork is a solution enabling cross-chain interactions between dApps on multiple networks. It provides a way for moving assets from one blockchain to another, for example, Bitcoin on Ethereum, but also many others. This is done via P tokens, hours, minutes, one-pegged representations of underlying assets on another blockchain. Moreover, not only assets can be moved cross-chain, but also NFTs and cross-chain transfers and smart contract interactions. PNetwork is a progressively decentralized platform and managed via a DAO where users can stake PNT and get proportional voting rights. Those active in the DAO get an opportunity to shape the fate of the project and can also earn up to 42% APY. As part of the PNetwork ecosystem, the iDoCARD is one of our exciting features. This is a non-custodial L2 integrated crypto card that comes out from a P tokens X iDo combo, fast transactions and low fees.
So basically, the PNT has something similar, it's something similar to Amplefort's governance tokens, whereby they'll be able to stake it and then they'll be able to influence or make decisions when the time is needed. Today, approximately around 8, they had a spike whereby it went up in value, like $3, and it went down a bit, and it's currently going up again. So the reason being, because if you look on their Twitter page, Polygon have thrilled to announce that PNetwork DeFi is launching its PNetwork powered wrapped Bitcoin, Bitcoin on Polygon. So this is the reason why I believe it has been spiking, and persons are really getting excited about this cryptocurrency because I guess it's about to blow up. So me being a trending crypto person, quote unquote, decided to make this video. So in case anybody, because if you noticed, it was like about $2.80 earlier in the video, and now it's $2.98. I believe now it's time to get on this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have some price predictions. So as promised, let me get into our price predictions. So What will be the lowest price for PNetwork in the future? We predict that it will be $12 up to $12.07 USD. What will be the highest price PNetwork would have in the future? That would be up to $14.51. Will PNetwork price increase in the future? Yes, PNetwork PNT price will increase according to our prediction data in future. Investment in PNetwork is profitable or loss making? Yes, PNetwork is profitable investment on our forecasting. Whether the price of PNetwork will be downward in future? No, PNetwork price will not be downward based on our estimated prediction. In 1 year from now, what will one PNetwork be worth? The price of one PNetwork can roughly be up to $5.91 USD 1 year's time, 2 times nearly from the current price, PNetwork price. Where do I buy PNetwork? Yes, as I was saying, in 1 year from now, what will one PNetwork be worth? The price of one PNetwork can roughly be up to $5.91 USD in 1 year, 2 times nearly from the current PNetwork price. Where do I buy PNetwork? There are many places to buy and exchange PNetworks. We listed them earlier in the video, as well as what will PNetwork price be tomorrow. Our algorithm predicts that the PNetwork price can be up to $0.90 in addition to the price that it has currently, which is like $2. And what will the price of PNetwork be after 1 year? So after 1 year, we predict that the price of PNetwork is going to be $5.91, because the price exchange in the last 24 hours is 72% and growing. So in this year, the highest was $3.20 currently. And if we look today it is up $3.40. So we predict it'll be $5.91 and growing. So make sure to have on post notifications, because we'll be bringing you more updates as we gather them along the course of the day as we continue to watch this cryptocurrency. It'll be added to our list because we do believe that this will be doing great things. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because we do go through the comment section, read every comment and reply to every single comment, because every single comment matters, as well as every form of input. So yes guys, so if you have comments, leave them down below, we'll reply back to them. Like this video if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you very soon. Whiteboard Wealth signing out. Keep cryptoing.